Why does your scanner show the P0864 engine code? What does it mean? P0864 is a diagnostic trouble code for Traction Control Module pcm communication circuit range performance. This engine code indicates that the problem with the communication between the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and other vehicle control modules, like the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: electrical issues, mechanical issues, software/programming issues. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Dodge, Honda, Volkswagen, Ford, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.